Let me get straight to the point because this video is going to be short as hell and I want to cover as much as I can. When it comes to girls both in anime and in real life, they will always have the following feature: bigger eyes, genuinely softer faces, their long hair, not to mention the cranium, and their legs being genuinely shorter or longer as compared to their height, which we'll get to in a second. Also, they will have to wash dish. Sorry guys, can't finish that joke. I'm gonna get cancelled on Twitter and stuff. Also let's just start off with a practical breakdown. As you can see, when compared to a male body, their features are genuinely softer, except from their softer features. There will be their cranium size, their pelvis, both of which are not that significant. I mean, do consider them, always do consider them, but it's not that important in the end, really no one cares. Also, one more thing, do add blush, it's really important. As for the whole body, have diagonal lines for the shoulders and head. Also try to make it correspond, but never ever in your right mind make your neck at a perfectly perpendicular angle. If you don't know what perpendicular angle is, then go back to second grade maths. It's literally 90-degree angle or a straight line. I can't think of anything else. Alright, bye, I love you all. Thank you so much for 3.6k subscribers.